Welcome to this video. We're about to go into this home right now and see how well it looks for Airbnb. You guys get ready. Let's go. You see I'm holding in my hand, right? The planner. This thing right here is amazing. First thing I'm noticing is these hardwood floors. They look pretty good. But really, that's just right? Granite countertops. I can see this looking pretty good. What do you guys think? For Airbnb. I can see guys in here cooking. A little bit of breakfast, you know what I'm saying? Here's the fireplace. I like this as well. See if we can get it there. Okay. Probably have to fire it up to switch it. So let's go out here, outside over here. So the whole purpose of this video is to just let you guys see a little bit behind the scenes of what it takes to be an investor, right? An agent / investor. Come on in. Let's take a walk over here. The whole point right now, guys, we're going to turn each of these bedrooms into a, a different suite. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking at how big these rooms are. And I'm kind of visualizing how it will look with the bed set up and just all the things that we can do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, my car is talking to me. Look at this. Nice carpet. Well taken care of. I like the carpets. Hardwood floors. Master bedroom. This is for the king. Whoever's going to have this room will have the best room in the house. I think it's a little small one. We're gonna keep looking, but overall, this is a pretty nice house. Yeah, downstairs too. Ready? Welcome to the downstairs. This is a beautiful bed, a little basement, right? But it's finished for one, which is great. And other than the bedroom here, this actually is a nice view. I like the way this bedroom is set up. Nice view. Closet space is pretty good. Take a look. What's this over here? What do we have in here? Closet space again. Okay. Nice garage. Right. So with our investor kit, the HP Real Estate Investor Kit, it enables you to do things like get your Airbnb set up. You learn the steps of the process from start to finish. You're also going to learn how to wholesale, how to flip properties, and be a real estate agent. Wouldn't it be great to add investing to your arsenal of things that you do, so you become a super agent, right? An investor agent. So either way, this kit's for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just stay tuned because we're going to keep looking until we get our Airbnb. We're going to take you guys into our lives. So thanks for watching this video. Let's go.